Well, I thought I was done. I hung up my paintbrushes. And then we got talking last night about this table that we've had by the back door beside the fridge. It's never been cleaned. It came from my brother's basement. My son initially wanted it, so we brought it home, but he doesn't anymore, so we have found a very good use for it. It was all looking pretty much like this. So I've just been wiping it down with a sponge, and it looks 100% better. And we've talked about painting it red, which I thought was an excellent idea. You know I love red. And Honey was going to spray paint it. But then I said to him this morning, you know, there's lots of nooks and crannies on these legs that are going to drip paint. So maybe you should have a paintbrush with you. Well, that's all I needed to mention. He's like, you sure you don't want to paint it? I'm like, if we have bright red paint. He has found some red enamel. I'm not sure. It's not latex, so it means a whole different cleaning system for me. But I'll try out a little patch. So it's looking better, just getting it washed. I often wondered if that stuff would just wash off, and it's coming off quite nicely. So, I'll see. Well, it cleaned up very nicely. Looks 100% better, just getting all the crap off of it. And he says, you sure you want to paint it? I'm like, yeah. He mentioned red. I really like the idea of red. So, I'm just going to try the back part here, where it won't really show if I don't like it, but it'll probably work just fine. So, I'm going to put down some drop cloths, protect the table. See, oh my goodness, look at that. Ooh, that is party. Really, this is probably what I needed to do on the kitchen island, is get enamel paint if I wanted it like really glossy like this is. These are the doors, has one coat on it. I'll be excited to get the second coat on. Oh, all Honey had to say was, how about red? And I was all over it. Yeah, I like red. Woohoo!